bike check.
Guys, you
I got the fit shiv front. Got the shit fib fork. Got the profile mini race hub front hub. Got the alienation deviant front rim. Fit fast. My frame is a Eddie V3 with the profile titanium GE cranks and Odyssey twisted pedals, plastic. Got the 32 demolition sprocket with a rust-colored half-leaf shadow conspiracy chain. Back alienation runaway. Another bit fast. And enough energy to go around your seat. My seat is a E-clat plastic with the vinyl covering. And my back hub. Back hub is a profile mini racing back hub too. My bars are the Pink Wolf, the Fit DLR stem. I also got ODI long neck grips. Nice, I like them. I'm also sponsored by Grant Langston, Voodoo, Precision Gear, Holly, and Dart. Did 360 last night, and that's my bike check. Hope you view it.